It is with utmost humility and an enormous sense of responsibility that I have just taken over as Chief Election Commissioner. You are all also aware that the elections to Lok Sabha are in the offing. The preparation for this, internal preparations for this, actually started sometimes back. We'll all try to meticulously prepare on all fronts, whether it is ER, EVM, VVPATs, dissemination through our very credible program of sweep, ensuring voting rights through ETPBS for our soldiers, for persons with disability, and give the country a fair, credible, free, impartial and ethical election.